Alright guys, welcome back. So today I'm just going to show you really briefly how to find where your Unity project is and then how to copy it up to Google Drive and then download it on the computer that you actually want to have it transferred to. Okay, Google Drive pretty much is like a USB flash drive that you can copy files to and then distribute them to other computers. So pretty much we go to our Unity Hub, open that up, and you should see under your projects a list of all of them. Whichever project you want to copy, look right here and see what the path is. So this one's saying it's in Documents, Tyler's Games, Terrain. So I basically then go to my File Explorer down here, or if you don't see it, you can click on your Start menu and look for File Explorer. This is where all your computer's folders are stored. Click on that, and it's saying it's in the E drive. So I go scroll down until I see my E drive right here. Click on that, and then it's in Documents, Tyler's Games. So pretty much I go there, and this one's called Terrain Custom Level. There it is right there. So all I have to do to copy this to Google Drive is log onto my Google Drive, your school account. Basically what you're going to do, it's a good idea to make a folder sometimes for all your games, but you can just drag it in here first by finding it in, again, your File Explorer, drag and drop it onto My Drive. So you drag it onto My Drive and let go, and you should see down here it starts saying that, hey, it's uploading. This might take a while, and I don't have kind of time to show you right now because it would take too long to upload, but once you log onto your other computer that you want to actually transfer this project to, you go and find that folder that we just did and say it's this one right here. All right, let's do this one. And basically you right click on the folder that you want to download, which again your game is going to be one giant folder with a bunch of stuff in it. Right click and click on download. Now this is the other part that's a lot of people don't understand when it comes to downloading Google Drive files, is if it's more than one file like this folder is, it will actually zip the files together into one file called a .zip file. And most people, when they go to download one of these, they actually just double click on the file and try and open it. But in actuality, what you need to do is you need to right click on it and click extract all. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So go to your downloads folder. After this folder that you're downloading has been zipped and downloaded, you'll see the difference with this folder right here where it has the little zipper on it, and this folder. This zip file we have to quote unquote extract or unzip to actually look at the files inside. So you go to your downloads, find the folder you just downloaded, right click on it, and right here click extract all. Leave this how it is. It's basically telling you, hey, we're going to make a folder here in downloads for you that has all the files inside of it. So I click extract, and then you'll notice now if we go right here or over here where it just opened it, there's the name of that folder I downloaded. I double click it and all my files are inside of it. So that's how you actually, again, transfer a Unity project from one computer to another using Google Drive. Is pretty much like a little flash USB drive. Again, you need to drag and drop the whole folder. You need to find out first where's your project. Again, you find that out by going to Unity Hub and looking at the file path right here, and then you use that file path to open File Explorer, which you guys can click on the Start menu, File Explorer, and then you go and find it, click and drag it into Google Drive. So it's kind of hard, I got all these things blocking it, but here's Google Drive. I would just click and drag it onto My Drive, and then once it's uploaded on the other computer you want to transfer it to, just go onto it, go into Google Drive, find the folder, right click on it, and click download. Now another thing real quick, say you guys want to actually send me one of your projects, so you actually want to share one of your projects with me so I can download it. You go and find the folder where your project is, you right click, and you click on Get Shareable Link. If you click on that and then make sure to turn this on by clicking the button right here, now all of a sudden you can go ahead and copy this link and either email it to me, or ideally what we're gonna be doing a lot is I'm gonna be creating an assignment here in Google Classroom, and you're gonna click on the Turn In Assignment button and look for the word link so that you can copy and paste that link from here to send it to me. That's going to be the main way we're going to be doing assignments, is you guys turning in the link to me on Google Classroom. So again, find whatever folder you want to share with me, your project or whatever, right click, get shareable link, and make sure that this is turned on and that you've copied and pasted this entire link right here by, again, selecting it, selecting all of it, right click copy, and then right click paste into either the email you sent me or again on Google Classroom with the turn in work button that will be up here on the upper right in purple. All right, thanks guys, have a good one.